I have a really great project that I'm working on, so stay tuned. Okay, so as you can see, I'm in our basement, but I have this table here and some twigs, but we're not doing anything with those today, but I did pick those for a reason for another day. But underneath of the table, let me see if I can show you. Can you see underneath of there? That's just kind of like my scrap pile of wood that I'm going to use for, I don't know, whatever I can think of. So what I want to do is like a hanging rack for my upstairs bathroom. That bathroom is in desperate need of decoration, and I can decorate. I think that I'm pretty good at decorating, but bathrooms, yeah, they're not really my thing. And I've been asking around on Facebook for different ideas and things, and I've been surfing Pinterest. So I did come up with one thing, and so I think I'm going to try to build it myself because I don't want to have to buy it. Anytime it's something that I deem easy enough, I will always try to make it. Saves money, and I just think it's good experience. If you need something for a room, try to build it first. I mean, I know not everybody has the stuff to do that, but scrap wood is scrap wood. I mean, you can pretty much find it anywhere. I have actually found pieces of really nice wood at the dump. People just drop it off and throw it, and I'll tell you, I've made some really nice stuff with the wood that I found there. So you can find it anywhere. I have even taken pallets apart and used that wood for different projects. So today I think that I know which piece that I'm going to pick, and I believe I have some dowels upstairs, so I'm going to try to make a peg rack for that bathroom. We'll see how it goes. So that's the area that I'm looking to put something on, like, I don't know, like that level? I don't really know. I just kind of eyeball it, and whatever looks good, looks good. So I'm not overly picky. I just want to get a feel of how long I want this. I think 3 feet will do it. You can tell I'm really not very sure at what I'm doing because I'm building this in my mind as I am speaking to you. So this is like really last minute thought going through my mind. I'm bouncing between 2 different ideas. I built a peg rack for the guest bedroom. I can go in and show you that. So I'm bouncing between the idea of doing one that looks like that or doing one with horseshoe nails. I don't know if you know what those look like, but I kind of like the idea of that one too because I have a really old piece of barn wood that is like really old. I wouldn't have to do anything to it. I wouldn't even have to cut it. It's perfectly old and beautiful, and I think it would go really well here, and then just take the horseshoe nails and nail that in there, and that would be it. Or, like I said, the peg rack. Let me show you what that one looks like. Okay, so the other thing that I was thinking of, because when I was looking for the dowels, I found an extra shelf. I thought maybe I'd put it up here, but there's, let me just show it to you. Okay, so this is a shelf. I thought maybe right here, because I'd like something to hang our hand towel on. Right now it's just sitting on the sink, but it doesn't have a dowel to hang one. So in my craft room, which I have a lot of things in there, I can drill out a hole, slide that in, and there you have it. A shelf with a dowel rod that will hold my towel. It's nice to shop your house before you go anywhere else and shop, because sometimes I was going to get rid of this. I was actually giving it away in a swap that I'm going to be part of in a couple of weeks. But then I thought, maybe I should just try putting it in a different room, because I didn't like where it was. It used to be in my hallway, but I didn't really like it there. So I thought, well, I really need something in here. So I don't think it would be right to get rid of something that I have and go buy something else. So I think this will work. What do you think? I mean, I could put it there on that blank wall, but I really think I like it here. So I think that's what I'm going to do. And this is the dowel that I found that left over from when I had done the other peg rack. I don't know if I want to do this one though. Like, I don't know if that's the kind of peg rack I want. I kind of like the idea of the other one because I like the old wood, but we'll see. So let's get going on that. Okay, so that one is done, and this is the piece of wood. It's kind of dirty. This is the piece of wood that I have for upstairs. Don't go thinking I'm crazy. It's a heavy piece of wood, but I like it. I like the character. I like that it's old. I like everything about it. So I think that is my decision. I have some horseshoe nails here. I don't know if you can see this real well. Maybe if I put it up against this. The lighting isn't real great down here. It's just a flat square. They call them horseshoe nails. I'm not really sure what the technical name of them are, but I'm going to put some in here. Hopefully. I have another one of these upstairs that I did. I'll show it to you when we go back upstairs. But I'm going to just randomly put some of these on here. I'm not going to measure. I'm just going to eyeball it. Maybe 4 or 5. I don't know. I'm just going to start putting them across, and we'll go from there. So I don't want to paint the entire thing red, so I'm going to try to mimic what's already on here with something I think is pretty close to this color already. just want to mark where the studs are. So I'm going to use a stud finder for that. have been running around the house like a chicken with my head cut off, trying to find something to put on here, something to put on the rack. So I kind of went into my craft room because, like I said, I have a lot of stuff in there. Someday I'll show you. But anyway, let's see if I can figure this out. These are a few things that I have here, just really old. This is an old Epsom salt tin. I love stuff like this. And some Sloan's liniment, and it still has the label on it, and there's still some stuff in there. I wouldn't dare open it and smell it, probably knock me out. An old tin cup that a friend gave me, thank you Marianne. Perfect. And candle. Doesn't that look good? Now let's do the peg rack. Okay, so this one is going to take a little more imagination. I still need something above, I still need something over the flush area. So it's a work in progress. But like I said, this was really last minute. I didn't plan on doing this today. This space was really bothering me. Kind of like that cabinet downstairs in the kitchen. It just needed something and I didn't know what. And when the urge strikes you, you go with it. So I just wanted to get this done, which I'm glad I went with this one. I do like this one a lot better. I would have liked the peg rack too, but I like this one a lot better. It's just going to take a little bit to decorate it because I just went and grabbed a few things because I was trying, I got a little bit of inspiration off of Pinterest, so I'm hoping it looks okay in my bathroom. So let's see. Okay, so one of the things I got was a towel from downstairs in my pantry. I'm going to set that up there. It has a saying. It's kind of a holiday saying on the other side, so I'm going to turn it around and face it this way. And a basket that I bought for, I think I bought it to use at either Easter or Valentine's, but I didn't use it. But I can put this up here and, I don't know, put something inside of it, or maybe nothing. A lamp. I thought that was nice. Maybe this isn't going to work. I don't know. Okay, and this is a little soap holder. And I found some soap. And I also found another towel. I'm going to hang this one here. And this soap is a natural handmade soap. It's frankincense and myrrh. I am not sure, to be honest, where it came from. But I love it. It smells amazing. But look how primitive it looks and just really, it's not smooth and perfect. And I like that. So I thought that would look really good. And it gives a really nice aroma to this space. So what do you think? Does it look okay? I don't know, I'm thinking about switching these two. I want to show you, this is my toilet paper holder. It's an old grain scoop. I love it. It's just something different. I like different. And then down here, this is just an old chamber pail, I think they called them. I just keep extra toilet paper in there and some magazines. Okay, so let me see if maybe I can switch these out. Yeah, I think I like this better. And here is a close-up of the shelf. What do you think? So overall, you see that shelf there, and then the mirror. And I still have a blank wall there. I need something there. I don't know. I might make some stitcheries maybe and put them on the wall. I'm not sure. And I have my cabinet, which I can link above the video where I redid this. And I have the peg rack. But like I said, it still needs something up there. That wall is still pretty empty. And so is this one. So I need something, which I think I'm going to put shelves on that one, similar to what I did downstairs in the laundry room. I also have those over our flush area in that bathroom as well. So I may do the same thing here. But for now, this is pretty good. I'm happy with it. It just makes the area look a lot better than it did previously. When you come in, it fills the space a little bit better than it did because it was pretty empty in here. So that's it for today. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed this. I know it's not completely done, but it was very impromptu. I did not expect to do this space. It just came to me and I knew I needed to do it. Sometimes that's just how design works. So I'm going to work on some things to put on this wall, and this wall. And I'll be sure to keep you updated as I do it. So until next time.